Jacob, come here. Come here for a second.
Tell Dad what you're
What
gonna
are we
do.
doing? We're going on a treasure hunt to find.
Okay.
What are we going to find?
It's your name.
Yeah, your birthday
Let's go this
presents.
way.
Let's go.
Come on.
Here we go.
Okay.
Better look in one of them cabinets. It might be in there. Did you look in the cabinet?
No.
Not in there with the dogs. Let's look in the kitchen cabinet.
Kitchen cabinet.
Yeah. You turn the light on, Mom.
Yes.
Where's it at? Nope, not there.
Oh.
Look in that cabinet. Maybe it's in there. Go ahead and look.
Look, hurry. We're trying to find the egg.
Gotta keep looking so you find them.
Dad hid it somewhere.
No? Well, let's go look in the living room. Come on, on to the next room. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, what's that?
Somebody dropped a present.
That's not no secret egg. We're looking for a secret. Go get it. See what that is. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. That's cool.
Oh no, a dinosaur's legs.
That is cool. But I think there are some more presents.
There is. There's a giant egg somewhere.
Let's keep looking, okay?
Open this one, Mom.
Hey, we will. Let's go look in your room for one more thing, okay? Come on.
Yeah.
Let's keep looking.
Look
Keep looking.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. What is that?
Oh no. That's
Oh.
gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. What is that?
What is that?
That's dinosaur.
That's a dinosaur costume.
Oh gosh. Who's that?
That's, oh, I don't know. Pull them out. Just rip the box open. You won't hurt it. There you go. Lift it out. What's in the top of the box?
You get it out. Right now.
Okay, let's see. Whoa.
Oh.
Look what we got here.
We got Eager bird.
Oh, man. Here, let's get him out. He's wedged in there.
Oh.
Oh, man, he's as big as you. Check it out.
He's dinosaur.
Oh, my gosh.
Let's get
Look at that. Keep digging. I
that.
don't know. Get it out.
He's getting a
Oh,
jug.
my gosh. It's a gorilla.
Get down
There
there.
you go. What's that?
A dinosaur.
It's a cup.
A cup.
Aww. Your own raptor hands.
Oh,
That is cool.
legs.
Oh my gosh. That's cool. Let's get these toys open. That's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Tell Mom thanks.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome,
High five.
babe. Tell Daddy thank you.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jacob.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.